A group of biologists studying humpback whales at the Stellwagen Bank National Marine Sanctuary invited the CritterCam team to join them in their research. CritterCams are a small, computer-controlled camera system we use to study animal behavior in their natural environment. The CritterCam's on a suction cup mount out at the end of this long pole. Boom, it's attached.
Nice.
So now you're seeing the view of a humpback's world from riding on his back. So the researchers have put 3D motion tags on whales here, and they've gotten records of this odd twisting, rolling behavior that's happening well below the surface where they can't see. But they're not really sure what it is. They're thinking it's probably feeding of some sort, but they can't be certain. Now, by using the CritterCam, we can figure out what's really going on. Is it feeding like they thought, or is it something else completely? So the CritterCam's on, and we're getting this great view of what the whale's doing. And here it begins to go up to the surface to get a breath, and as it does, it runs into this other whale. And the CritterCam gets caught between the two, and it almost gets knocked off its mount. You can see the front bracket in the shot now, though luckily the second bracket held and the camera stayed on. As the whale dives towards the bottom, it gets a lot darker, so the camera's kind of straining to see in this low light. And here we actually enhance the image so we could see the detail better, and it gets a bit grainy. You'll come in and you'll see the whale rotates as it approaches the bottom. It's rolling on its side, and the camera twists actually so it's pointed downwards, and you see these little sand lance fish swarming all over the bottom. That's the prey that the whale's going after. But they're not actually buried. And so the whales are skimming right along the bottom of the sea, but they're not actually digging into it. This bottom-feeding behavior could be sometimes done by a whale by itself, and sometimes multiple whales working together. And so that's the level of detail that the visuals can give us that some of these other devices can't. This next shot is just fun. While the whale was wearing the CritterCam, it breached. It leaped up out of the water, crashing back down. This is pretty cool to watch from outside the whale's perspective, but to see it like this is just amazing.